Good morning guys, happy Saturday and welcome to the vlogs. As you can see, this room needs a tidying up and probably needs to be hoovered. So I'm just gonna pick up Mogoni's toys, and in those boxes over there are some clothes that I'm gonna go through. After that I'm going to put them into the laundry machine to wash them. Yeah, that's how I'm starting my Saturday. Today it's about 6:30. I had to abandon my room because Mogoni was in there and she was fighting me for my boob. She was trying to breastfeed, and I had been breastfeeding her for like an hour already because she came into our room early in the morning crying. Anyway, so I had to bail. It was getting too much for me, so I left her in there with her dad. So they're still sleeping. Oh, I don't know, I just had to bail. Sometimes you have to bail as a mom. It's not a bad thing, you know. You have to be healthy for her to, you know, you have to be happy and healthy for your kid, because if you're just being passive aggressive towards the kid, they feel the vibe and they're also not happy. So sometimes you have to remove yourself from the situation. Anyway, enough of me justifying and explaining myself. Let me fix this room up and yeah, get on with my day, because there's a lot of yard sales and garage sales going around in my neighborhood, so I might check some of them. And also I wanted to go to the YMCA today to register so I can start going to gym. Seriously, I need to lose weight. I want to lose weight. It's not just a need, I want to. Yeah. And on that note, should I do a montage? A cleaning montage? I don't know. We'll see. Let's go. Couldn't find a great angle for a cleaning montage, so I didn't film any. So I'm just gonna go through the boxes at my feet right now and sort them out. I think maybe the old kids also selling some of this stuff.
Look at the doggies.
Hold her hand.
Hello.
Say hi. Look at the puppy dogs. They're pretty.
Oh yeah, they're good dogs.
Oh, we just sorry about the wind. We're just walking down the street. We went to look at some garage sales, some yard sales. Mogoni's got a free doll. So lucky her. Saw some things, but Tomato wasn't feeling them. My husband wasn't feeling them. So yeah, that's that. But there's still others, so we're gonna check them out. Ooh, Saturday. Nothing worthwhile of the house over there. So on to the next. Whatever. I'm eating nuts. Sorry. Car shopping for a minute now, so we're looking at more cars today. Oh my gosh, what is that? I got spots. What's going on? Car shopping was a bit of a success. Fell in love with a few cars, but now we are at Walmart to get some few things. How much do you think the one that I bought was? $10. It was $7. Leave my bag alone. I'm at Winners bra shopping, but I like to go aisle by aisle when I'm shopping. So I've moved on from Winners to Home Sense because what I was looking for, which is bras, yeah, there's not a lot of that. So now I'm just homeware shopping. I'm home now. I'm in the office. Just finishing up editing my Wednesday video. I kind of took a little cat nap to help Mugoni fall asleep for her nap. We had gone down to Canada Sudbury to do. I was actually looking for bras, but I couldn't find any. And yeah. Let me finish this. I'm tired. Maybe I can take a full-on nap. So the rainy weather is back and it looks really horrible outside. It's not really raining crazy, but it's good rain. It's really dark in the house. Had to switch on the light, as you can see, and the signal for the satellite is gone. Sucky, and my baby is kind of scared to be in the darkness. She's being a scaredy cat. I'd be scared too. Sun is shining like it never even rained. It's it's funny, the weather here in Sudbury is crazy, but here we go. It's not raining anymore and the sun is out. I swear the weather in Sudbury is crazy. It's raining again. Can you believe it? Raining. So this is our utility room, as you can see, and there's a leak from somewhere. I don't know if it's coming from the I guess this is the air conditioning, I don't know, or it does it come from, but this pipe looks dry. I'm not sure. Do you think it's from the... Oh, so it went all the way there. Do you think it's from the rain? Huh?
I'm trying to figure out.
Or is it from this thing? It feels wet, this thing.
From
Because this looks dry. But touching this one in here, it feels wet. So I guess the water didn't go. See, when you do that. So I guess because it was to the side a bit, the water didn't go into the drain. Do you hear that? So it's this one, which is connected to that. So I don't know what that is.
seeps through.
It really smells terrible in here. So we have the heater on to try and dry the carpet because the water seeped through this wall from the side. So up across that wall is the geysers, what you guys here call a hot water tank. We call it a geyser. Try to open the windows down here in the basement, and also the heater is going to try and dry the the carpet. And yeah, it's gonna be a long day because we don't have hot water, which means I haven't showered, so don't judge me. But I look cute for a person who hasn't showered yet, don't I? Anyway, sorry for showing you my tongue, but I had to. Yeah, so I'm busy doing some of the laundry. My only problem with doing laundry is that I can do the laundry and all, but the only problem is that I can never take the clothes I washed and folded upstairs. They always stay in the laundry. I have to figure out a way to get those clothes to the closet, guys. You have to help me out. How do I get those damn clothes to the closet? Because yeah, it's ridiculous. And even now I still have a secret shame. My guest bedroom is technically the closet. The bed that people are supposed to sleep on when they visit is a closet, because the most I can do when I take the clothes upstairs is put them on that bed, and they never go into the closet. So I really need help with that. I don't know what to do. I don't know. Yeah, anyway, let me do some more things before my baby wakes up, because when she's up she never wants you to do anything